So Dan, we have some questions about the Loftek LED solar pendant light that you did a kind of like a review and a demo on. Well, I'm here to tell you it works wonderful. I actually had quite a few questions about this LED light. So I'm going to try to answer the ones that I can. There may be one or two that I don't have the answer for, and we'll start on those first. Dan, do you know what kind of battery is in that that LED solar light? No, I do not. I haven't taken it down. Actually, I don't want to take it apart, but if something ever happened with it and I got another one, I'd probably take this one apart and just to see what kind of battery it has, internal battery it has inside of it. So no, I do not know what kind of battery is actually in this light. Another question I got was, Dan, would this light be good to hang over, let's just say, an entrance doorway? Yes, absolutely. I think it will work out really, really good. Which leads into the third question. Dan, does the light, can you set the light to turn on at dusk and turn off at daylight? Yes, absolutely you can. This light will come on once it starts getting dark, and it'll actually turn off once it becomes daylight. The thing about it is, that's the function that I didn't want to use with my light and the way that I have it set up back here. And as you can see, it lights up this area really, really good. I don't have any of the other lights on or plugged in because that costs money. So yes, it lights this area up really, really good. And if I have to, I will light these up just to get a little bit more light back here if I'm doing my canning thing or I'm water bathing something or doing something out here with the camp chef. Yeah, I'll probably turn those lights on. But I can actually do what I need to do with just that one light set up where it's at. Dan, can you set this light up to where it doesn't come on at dusk and off at daylight? Yes, you absolutely can. Oddly enough, when I first got this whole light set up in place and running, I said in my last video that I was like, gosh, I hope it turns back on, because I got it all set up. The panel was sitting in the sun. I hit the on button, nothing happened. But the thing that I didn't realize is the solar panel has to charge the light. So the solar panel will have to be in direct sunlight for 5 to 6 hours to charge this light up, and then it'll work flawlessly. That morning I got up, and as soon as I opened the door, the light was on. So what did I do? Grabbed my remote and turned it off. So now when I'm out here and I'm done out here on the back deck, just turn it off. And when I'm ready for some more light, turn it back on. I don't know if the camera is going to pick up the settings, but that's at its brightest level. Then that's the next one down, and that's the next one down. That's the dimmest it will go, and of course you have off. So when you hit the remote and you turn it on, it's going to light up at the last setting that you left it at, so which is dim. So that's the highest setting. So I hope I've answered everybody's questions that have left me a comment regarding this light. Would I buy it again? Absolutely. I would buy another one of these in a heartbeat. Is it a good way to light up a small area? Absolutely. I'm thinking about putting one in my woodshed over there where I cut up all my wood for my wood burning heater. Thinking about putting one out there as well. So worth a look if you want some free light.